Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumped, which is awesome. MCRT up quite a bit, up a lot today on stocks and cryptos, FXS. What I've been buying lately, remember, this is what I do with my money, and I'm the founder of MCRT, a play-to-earn game, which is doing amazing, and we're building just epic play-to-earn systems. We're the first play-to-earn game that's cross-compatible on PC, Android, and iOS. It's got the first Web3 lobby in the world, and you can already play this game on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer. You can play an epic PvP game if you're a gamer and earn MCRT, which is an incredible system that we're building, the first real play-to-earn game. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, and I'm going to do XRP because that was very requested by a lot of you. You have to do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. This is what I do with my money, and I'm just showing you what I've been doing. I've been trading since 14 years old. I've been trading and making videos for 3.5 years on this channel, and I'm just showing you how I invest my money, what I do with it. I never like to just hold things. I like to move my money into investments and then move it out of investments when I think it's peaked, like I did on November 11, 2021, when I called the day of the top of Bitcoin and pulled out of it, like I did when I bought the bottom of Bitcoin. And now I'm currently in positions. I'm holding Google, TSM, Taiwan semi-manufacturers, Tesla, Meta. Those are the main stocks. And I'm also holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, BNB, FXS. And recently I bought Rio, RIO. My DD team did some due diligence on it, and they liked the project, and I was told by a few people, so I bought it. But you have to do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you what I do with my money. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the tech, and Bitcoin having a beautiful pump today, an inverse on the daily, big inverse head and shoulders with a lot of volume coming in. Crypto Guru Bot it fired a buy down here, and it turned blue. You can see here I'm at around 20,900, which is beautiful. Bitcoin indicator bot, also the last one was a sell candle. It hasn't fired a buy or a sell, so the Bitcoin indicator bot not reading it so well on the daily there. On the weekly, it fired a sell as well and didn't convert. Now, what am I seeing on the weekly candles? Let's hide some of these graphs and stuff just to see what I'm seeing here on just candles. I'm still seeing big inverse head and shoulders. I see like a big inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder formation. So in my opinion, big inverse head and shoulders. I'm also seeing a doji candle, which is not nice. The last weekly candle was a doji. This second last one, this red one here, this was a doji candle, which is indicating a reversal candle. And this week it's already been 4 days into the week. We pumped all the way to 29,480, then came back. It's another doji candle. We really need to push out of here. We don't want to have two doji candles. They're reversal candles. But I don't take candle patterns so strongly. Why? Because it's not stocks. Bitcoin doesn't have closing times. The trade that I showed earlier today played out exactly. Bitcoin, if you followed my video, I talked about Bitcoin pulling back. It pulled back and it activated this Bitcoin long on that support, which is good. It still looks bullish, but the RSI is turning down on the 4-hourly. And on the daily, it's turning down. Is there a different... It doesn't look like it's making any kind of divergences. It's making higher highs and it's making higher lows. So it's still bullish in my opinion, Bitcoin. And it's still like I did the Elliott wave count earlier today, and we're still on the third wave. We haven't even reached, this could have been possibly the third wave here, but I just don't think so. It should have been bigger than, the third wave is always the biggest impulse wave on Elliott wave theory. I recommend reading the book, Technical Trading for Financial Markets, Technical Analysis for Financial Markets. Will teach you a lot of stuff. Or take my course. You can also learn a lot of stuff. Inverse head and shoulders here on the shorter time is forming. So I think Bitcoin is going to have a pump from here actually. I would go long. The long earlier today is still in effect, this long. If you haven't opened a long, I would open the long on the weekly now in case it does pull back, and stop loss underneath those supports and take profit still on that 34K. Until the fifth Elliott wave impulse is finished, we should still be going up on Bitcoin. The green lines are potential targets, so this is a nice trade, risking 331 to make 6,946 without leverage, with 10x leverage, $69,000 of profits, 20.98 risk to reward ratio trade per Bitcoin without leverage, risking 331 to make 6,946 with 10x leverage, 69,000. The trade opens at 20, that gray line, 27,962, stop loss 27,630. 34,431, take profit 34,908. So I do think Bitcoin is going to go to 34,908, but we need to see a bounce off this weekly support. So that's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, I'm going to also show you my trades. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description and the pinned comment down below, which is here, you can go down below. I trade using Bybit. This link down below, you can sign up to Bybit. $30,000 worth of bonuses. It's the second biggest exchange for traders, derivatives trading. You can also take the crypto master course, learn about how to set up those charts, how to get the indicator bots, etc. More than 7,000 students have taken my courses, and I've got a free Telegram group. There's almost 8,000 of you talking and trading in there, and some of you had made massive gains. These are some of the gains from you guys. This student 40%. This student 819% gains. This student 792%. Thanks, James. You're amazing crypto. So I just bought your crypto course yesterday. I'm going through. What are your thoughts on? So he just thanking me. This student 1,000% gains. This student made $57 profits, and you can just see some of the gains in the Telegram. This I made on one of the trading days. I made this on one of the trading days. And you can just see many students and gains and over the last few months, which is beautiful. Yesterday I was up 5,000 on that trading account, 47,000 on that account, which is amazing. And now I'm going to show you my trades on Bitcoin. So once you sign up to Bybit, I've got a Bitcoin long open. It's $17,200 in the profits, which is beautiful. I've got some buy orders laddered down for Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum. Let's see if they activate. But that trade is active for Bitcoin, $17,000 in the profits. In this account, $254,000. In here, I've got 108,000 Bitcoin dollars worth of Bitcoin, 41,000 of MCRT, 21,000 of FXS, 21,000 of Tron. This is my trading account, 7,400 of Uni, $4,700, etc. Now let's look at XRP, because many of you have been requesting. I don't usually follow XRP, even though I should, because they're fighting the SEC, which is good. They're going up against these the politicians and setting the regulation for crypto. So they're fighting the good fight. Huge W formation. If we look straight away on the weekly, huge W formation forming on XRP. It's at a very strong resistance that goes back many years, 2021. But that's a big, massive W with increasing volume, confirming the breakout. Meaning XRP is about to go to this distance here, the W formation. If it can hold this neckline and break out, XRP will be going to around 0.8 80 cents per XRP, and that's at the next big resistance. That's the target of this W formation. RSI is confirming it heading up. On the daily, RSI is overbought, but big amounts of volume coming in. And again, just a massive W. Straight away, I can see this very clearly. Huge W formation, which is a bullish pattern. Usually W formations act like this. W, and they break out once they break the neckline, and they break the distance of the base of the W. So you're looking at something like a movement like that, which is what we're seeing here, and it'll be at up to 80 cents. There's also a strong resistance where you can take profit at 69 cents. I don't normally trade XRP. I'm just doing this because it was requested in the Telegram. I would go long from this support here, 50.76, stop loss underneath on those supports, and take profit at 80 cents. 8.45 risk to reward ratio trade, which is beautiful. 56% profit without leverage, with 10x leverage, 560% profit. That's the trade I would take on XRP. And yeah, that's a nice setup, which is beautiful. Again, I trade using Bybit, that link up there, and you can join the Telegram. This is some things from Magicraft, the roadmap. This is the new chat system that's going to be implemented in the Web 2 lobby. This is the Web 2 lobby, a new screen, a new chat system, and new designs. This is the Druid that's going to be coming into the game, which is epic if you've been watching them come to life. This should have made $2,400 on Ape. This should 307%. Love crypto, but hard to ignore that it doesn't fix corruption. It does fix corruption because Bitcoin is the first real money. Love your content, James. Thank you, Roll. Thank you for your honesty, man. Really respect the directness. Even when you're in trade loss, we'll be coming back daily to listen. Peace, bro. Thank you very much. And remember, if you do, your goal is not to win every single trade. It's to have very tight stop losses. If you have very tight stop losses and you protect your capital, rule number 1 by Warren Buffett is don't lose money. Rule number 2 is don't forget rule number 1. Have an amazing day. Learn, study, change your life. All of this I'm doing from my phone, recording these videos, trading, buying cryptocurrencies, running teams, running the Magicraft team, which is more than 100 people all up across divisions, which is epic. Legal team, finance team, tech team, web dev, Unity development team, smart contract development team. Amazing team. Thank you for watching, everyone. Again, none of this is financial information. This is what I'm doing with my money. You have to make your own decisions, consult your brokers, etc. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.